Welcome to the Disk4All virtual research environment. This platform serves as a comprehensive tool for investigating and analyzing intervertebral disk degeneration. Whether you're here to explore datasets, run analysis, or view your progress, everything you need is organized and easy to navigate. On the main page, you'll find various sections that provide easy access to data resources and analytical tools. Some of these resources are readily available, while others may be in development or pending access. To get started with the Disk4All platform, it's important to register with our local authorization service. This ensures secure access to the data and resources available. In this step, you will be prompted to enter your details and save your application credentials. These credentials are securely stored in our vault and retrieved from our object storage system, which in this case is a Swift object storage that has restricted user access. Once stored, your credentials will allow you to access all the data available for your research. It's crucial to follow these steps carefully to maintain the security and integrity of your access. Now that you've registered your credentials, it's time to use them to access the object storage system. In this step, you'll use your login information to authenticate and list the available containers. These containers hold various datasets related to intervertebral disk degeneration. Today, we'll be downloading coordinate files, which are going to be used in our workspace later on. Once you've selected and downloaded the necessary files, you'll be ready to proceed with further analysis. Let's go back to the user workspace to validate the metadata of the files. This step is mandatory for the files to be used further. Based on the extension of the files, a list will come out from where to choose the right data and file type. In the user space, all the resources accessible to the platform are organized and ready for use. Currently, there are 3 key types of resources available to you. Analysis tools. This includes the simulations and bioinformatics tools that have already been implemented and are ready for exploration. An atlas for disk models and VTK viewer. This viewer enables you to visualize and interact with simulation results in real time. In this section, we'll focus on the atlas, where you'll have the opportunity to explore and inspect the disk models in 3D. As you interact with the platform, the state of the tool will be continuously shown and updated in real time. This ensures you can monitor its progress until the process is fully complete and finished. Since the tool is interactive, once it reaches a stage where user interaction is required, we will begin a separate session to explore further. In this session, you'll have access to the 3D Atlas of disk models. This interactive tool lets you examine the models in detail, with the ability to apply various filters to focus on specific data points or features. You can navigate through the models, zoom in, and consult them based on different criteria, giving you a deeper understanding of the structures you're analyzing. Now, let's return to the workspace where we'll begin running simulation jobs. After selecting the tool, the user will be redirected to a page where the settings for the run needs to be defined. As input, we'll be using the data we previously downloaded, specifically the coordinate files, as the input for the morphing simulation tools. Also, some software settings can be included and changed accordingly. The outputs generated by this morphing simulation will later be used as input for another critical tool, the degeneration disk simulation. By running these simulations, you'll be able to model and analyze the progression of degeneration, paving the way for valuable research and results. The job status has changed to running, which could take some time. In this very same workspace, we expect to have the output directory for the user to download and further explore, as well as logs file for the run. You can access the info session to check the details of the execution. Here, you'll find all relevant information about the job execution. Additionally, the log file provides real-time updates, displaying the job's progression based on the tool's outputs and printed messages. This ensures full transparency and allows you to track each step as it happens. As a final step in our workflow, we'll utilize the VTK Viewer, which is another powerful tool available in the platform. This viewer allows us to visualize the results of the entire simulation process interactively. With an interactive session, you can explore and inspect the OBJ output files generated from the simulations, providing a comprehensive view of how the models evolve throughout the workflow. After choosing the file you want to check out with the VTK Viewer, you can zoom in, rotate, and manipulate the results in real time, enabling deeper insights into the data and giving you the ability to analyze the outcomes in a dynamic, hands-on way. Based on the structure of the file and your visualization preferences, you can choose different representation styles, such as edges, surfaces, or glyphs, to highlight specific aspects of the model. Additionally, you can enable axis visualization, allowing for better spatial orientation when analyzing 3D structures. These features ensure that you can explore the data in the most effective and meaningful way for your research. As we've seen, the platform provides a seamless and intuitive way to interact with complex simulation tools, making advanced research more accessible than ever. From registering credentials and accessing data, to running simulations and visualizing results, every step is designed to be efficient and user-friendly. With powerful tools like the 3D Atlas, morphing simulations, and the VTK Viewer, researchers can explore, analyze, and validate data in an interactive and structured environment. Whether you're monitoring job progress, fine-tuning visualization settings, or diving deep into disk degeneration models, the platform ensures that you have all the necessary resources at your fingertips. By simplifying workflows and enhancing interactivity, this platform paves the way for more effective, data-driven research in intervertebral disk degeneration. Thank you for following along. Now it's time to explore the tools and make the most of your research journey.